fighting for yourself may make you look like the villain, especially after you've already suffered at the hands of others. But it takes courage and divine help to wake up each day and still choose to love yourself in a world that works overtime to tear you down. It's in these seasons of hardship that you discover the true value of honoring what God has embedded deep in your soul. If you've managed to hold your head high after enduring vicious attacks, pause. Celebrate yourself. You've entered a new era of warriorship that many will never reach. Now, take the same intensity that pain tried to destroy you with and use it as fuel to rebuild yourself with the love you deserve. Take ownership of your life. Own your decisions. Walk boldly into your purpose, empowered by every battle you've survived. Your perception of pain becomes the foundation of your victory. There is no competition when you learn to embrace your authentic self, even in the face of distractions, false narratives, and negative projections. This is not just healing. It's a celebration. Your new beginning is here. You are no longer a victim. You are a victor. And this shift in mindset is birthing your next level of elevation, empowerment, and unstoppable purpose.